What's up, BloodGang? Welcome to another Friday market update with me. I wasn't able to record last time because I was doing something else. So right now we have our update. We'll have our update now. Let's start with Bitcoin. Let's make this short. I don't. Let's say. Uh, the updates I sent on my channel, I said that 28.6k. Let's have a recap first. 28.6k would be a good place to long around here. Then we top at this level. That was around the 12% move or something, and that was a pretty good trade. But we also had our losses. Okay, at around here we had our short. Or at around here we had a short, but it didn't actually quite uh, go down from there, but it was actually a good scalp. The If you see a naked session point of control in my updates, they are essentially for scalping, so you wouldn't want to hold a position with with the with NS box trades. So that was a 1% trade, and then proceeded to go up in the next hours. So then we had another short at around 31k. 31k again, just like what happened here. It did go down, but it was short-lived and pumped higher. So I didn't see this EMA 200 being here. I thought the EMA 200 on the 4-hour time frame would be much higher, because last time I checked, it was at 35k, so I didn't bother turning it on my indicators. So that's a loss. That's a trade I didn't see. But generally, when price uh, tests tests the 4-hour EMA 200, that would be a short for me automatically, without even looking at order blocks or anything like that. Just the EMA 200. I trust shorting the EMA 200, especially for first time touches. So longing was not an option here. Longing here would make you poor. So I actually didn't see that, so that was a missed trade. And last night we had a trade here at 30,150 that created a 2% move down. So that was actually a good trade. I hope if you took it, that you also took profits. So right now, the this analysis I didn't post. I didn't get the chance to post since I got caught up with something outside IRL stuff. So I said that taking the value area of the range, or the volume profile of the previous range, and shorting the value area high would give us a move down. So I drew this drawing at around here yesterday. So I said that I'm seeing some strength on the short area, but we did actually get our shorts right. So I was seeing some shorts here. We saw a move down, a 2% move down, and I saw last night some buying imbalances on the footprint charts. So I was thinking that maybe we go up here, but just until this level, just until 30.5k. So when we get when we got to 30.5k, we actually got a pretty strong reaction. This time we had a 2.5% move down that affects other altcoins like Ethereum. Ethereum got a 4% move down with that with this move from Bitcoin. So right now, what am I looking at? I am expecting a bounce from this previous range point of control. But if we don't get acceptance above this, I'm expecting there's an 80% chance we see 28.7k, 28.8k to 28.7k. I think if we reject here, we have a strong rejection here. We would just continue to range again. Okay, 28.7k, then do this for another month. Or if we get acceptance downward, we go lower. But let's not directionally trade. Like, if we are at the extremes, we can just trade this with clear invalidations. If we long here, the clear invalidation would be around here. Then our take profit point would be here. Don't sweat the risk to reward ratio too much, because a 3R win is enough. And actually, a 3R win, you can trade in between the range. So don't sweat it if you have the stop loss too low and you have your entry here. Don't sweat it too much. So that's it for Bitcoin. I am still bearish overall. That's why I have this plots down here. The weekly naked point of controls and the monthly naked point of controls. And yeah, that's it for Bitcoin. Let's see significant. I think we already touched 29.7k. 20. What's the low? Okay. I think we bounce around 29.6k. This previous day value area low. Then we trade up to 30.1k. Yeah. But that's about it for Bitcoin. Take note of this naked point of control. It's at 31,573. It's also the reason why I had this. We have a value area low. Here, and a naked point of control here. A range point of control. So I would scale my shorts at between these two levels if we do get there. Okay, I'm not presetting it, so it's a waste of liquidity. I cannot trade if I set it. Okay, that's it for Bitcoin. This is the big move for the Friday. I think this is the big move for Friday, just as what we've been saying in the past. A big move on Friday would give us consolidation on the weekend. So a big move on Friday, we just consolidate on the weekend. So it's better for you not to trade the weekend, or just learn a few stuff. Learn some trading materials over the weekend. Don't get chopped by weekend PA, because it's not worth it trading low volatility environment unless you do get free trades. Free trades include a very clear setup, invalidation, and uh, take profit point. Okay, let's do Ethereum. This is the only altcoin I will do today since I'm not feeling well. I am keeping this video short. Okay, so Ethereum has some pretty clear levels for me. 1728 or 1730 is the level to keep. Then I don't mind this. I was just drawing random stuff earlier. So 1728 is the level to keep. If we lose this level and spend time below like this and retest that level, I will be shorting it and keeping it until 1.5k. But right now, let's not be too bearish again on the lows. Just like what happened here, it looked like Ethereum was going to barf right straight to 1.5k. But the thing is, don't be too bearish at the lows. The play would be to long this level as well with clear invalidation below here, right? So you would want to long this when Bitcoin finds its support. You don't want to short here and what if it and it pumps to this level, then you get stopped out for no reason. The play here should always be to long bottoms. But again, this is the 4-hour time frame. You can choose not to knife catch this. You can actually go down to the 15-minute time frame and just wait for how I say this change in market structure, then long a retest of some sort. Then that's about it for Ethereum. Take note of these levels because I think these are the most important levels to keep when we go lower. I do think we're going to go lower. Okay, this held quite nicely, only at 2.45% and not 10%. Okay, that's about it for Ethereum, and Bitcoin, and I'll see you guys next week. I won't be posting charts on the weekend. Have fun and learn some trading materials. Bye. Thanks.